Hello, good evening, my Vajra brothers and sisters in the Dharma. I'm sending this small and short message because today is the 8th Parinirvana anniversary of Khyentse Chatral Rinpoche. And as you all may know, Chatral Rinpoche is a great master, a great yogi. I think there are no words to describe Chatral Rinpoche. For me, he was a Buddha in human form. So, with all my deep gratitude and admiration, I would like to remind everyone the greatest yogi of ever, Khyentse Chatral Rinpoche. So, I didn't have the fortune to meet Khyentse Chatral Rinpoche, but I have the great fortune to meet his daughter, Semo Saraswati Rinpoche. And for me, there is no difference between Semo Saraswati Rinpoche and Khyentse Chatral Rinpoche. I would like just to remind all of us that it is extremely rare to find a guru and a teacher like Chatral Rinpoche. It's very hard and harder in our days to find somebody that walks the talk and does what you preach. And Chatral Rinpoche was one of the very few yogis and teachers that knew what was to be free. He was not attached, or he was not under any political movement. He was not under any political decisions. He was totally free, and he spent his life, his entire life, practicing the Dharma. So, for me, there is no better example of a Dharma practitioner. Chatral Rinpoche totally inspired me to my practice, to my non-draw. He inspired me in my daily life. He inspired me in my conduct. Every step I try to implement, I try to think in Chatral Rinpoche example. For me, he was the kind of guru that teach only through his example. I know many people may have different opinion, and of course we have wonderful gurus, but for me, Chatral Rinpoche was one of the best yogis ever. He is very special and dear to my heart. I will always pay homage to him. I will always bring him in my heart. And today, I would love to pay my homage to him by reciting one small prayer that I always daily do before I start my practice. And I think that now in this world is more needed than ever. So here is my humble and simple homage to such a great Dharma lion like Khyentse Chatral Rinpoche. Essence of all the Buddhas of the past, present and future, by Chatral Sangye Dorje. Essence of all the Buddhas of past, present and future, precious Guru, watch over me. Inspire my mind with your blessings, I pray. Inspire me with your blessings, I pray, so that my mind may turn towards the Dharma. Inspire me with your blessings, I pray, so that Dharma may progress along the path. Inspire me with your blessings, I pray, so that the path may overcome delusion. Inspire me with your blessings, I pray, so that deluded perception may down as wisdom. Inspire me with your blessings, I pray, so that all non-dharmic thoughts may cease. Inspire me with your blessings, I pray, so that day and night may be dedicated to Dharma. Pray like this at the beginning of every session. And these words were copied from Lama Buddha Vajra's actual handwriting. So, thank you very much for listening to me, and may we all have the good fortune to have in the future wonderful yogis with the example of Khyentse Chatral Rinpoche. Thank you.